This is my kids, well, my cousins. They're washing my car. I know this looks like child labor. It is. But it's great. Why are you guys helping me?
The bottom
Because why?
Because we love you and you took us to long places and also you gave us ice cream.
Okay.
Kuya Ace.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Irene. You're so cool. Well, I get to sit here on my doorstep and watch them. It's great. Put your slipper back on. No, that's a football. Put your slipper. There you go. Good job. I love my kids. I didn't want them to help me, but they just insisted on it, so I'm not gonna refuse. And now my car is all nice and clean. Thank you, kids. I love you. No, don't touch that! Don't touch that! You're gonna get fingerprints on it! Stop it! Go away! Go away! Alright, bye.